this video we will discuss some short answer type question carrying 1 or 2 marks from poetry selection class 10 English Seva, and these questions may be important for CBSE also because the chapters are same, the books are same. Therefore, this is a very nice video. If you have not subscribed my channel till today, please subscribe my channel Indra Coaching Classes. Watch this video till the last and like it, share it. If you have any queries, any questions to ask, either in English or in social science, you can give that question in the comment box. I will try to satisfy you. First question today is uh, why was the dragon called cowardly? The dragon was not cowardly, uh, but his friends, his other pets of Belinda called him coward because he always tried to have a nice safe cage away from all of them, away from his other pets of Belinda. Belinda teased him. The other pets called him coward because he sought for a nice safe cage all the time. लेकिन वो कायर नहीं था, ही वॉज नॉट कावर्डली. तो ये बात जानिए कि वो कायर नहीं था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द बुक फ्रॉम विच द पोएम एनिमल हैज़ बीन टेकन. The poem Animal has been taken from the book The Leaves of Grass, and the name of the poem from which it has been taken, a bigger poem, it is Song of Myself. किताब का नाम जो है ना लीव्स ऑफ ग्रास है, और लीव्स ऑफ ग्रास में एक सॉन्ग है, नाम है सॉन्ग ऑफ माई सेल्फ, और उस सॉन्ग ऑफ माई सेल्फ से ही उस पोएम से ये कविता ली गई है. क्या बोलते हैं, एनिमल्स ली गई है. नेक्स्ट, द फॉग कम्स ऑन द लिटिल कैट फीट, इट सिट्स लुकिंग ओवर हार्बर एंड सिटी ऑन साइलेंट हॉन्चेज एंड देन मूव्स ऑन. These are the lines from the poem Fog, and first question based on this line is who is in the third line referred to. In the third line, the fog is referred to in the third line. Next is how does fog comes. The fog comes as silently as a rat. ये होगा आंसर. Next is why does Amanda next is how does fog comes. Fog is compared, what does fog is compared to. The fog is compared to a cat. So cat and fog is similar so far as the, the silent movement of both is concerned. माने ये दोनों एक समान है. जहाँ तक उन लोगों के चलने में जो आवाज़ नहीं होती है वो बातें कंसर्न है, इस हिसाब से ये दोनों जो हैं एक ही हैं. नेक्स्ट, why does Amanda wish to be Rapunzel? Rapunzel was a character in the German story. She was confined to a tower right from her babyhood, and she lived there. She did not know outside world. Therefore, she was satisfied. She felt freedom within the tower, and she also felt peace because she had not seen the unrest outside the tower in the world. तो उसको अच्छा लगता था. अमांडा बहुत आराम से रहती थी, तो क्योंकि बाहरी दुनिया से वाकिफ नहीं थी वो, इसलिए उसे अच्छा लगता था. अमांडा वांटेड टू हैव द सेम लाइफ. शी वांटेड टू हैव a life in the tower which is silent and rare life for her. She wanted to have. Next question है what are the qualities possessed by animals. Animals are placid and self-contained. They have the stamina to maintain its status quo in every condition, rain or sunshine, without winning or sweating. They do not make religious discussion. They do not you see spend their night restlessly in tension like human being. तो ये सारे क्वालिटीज हैं. नो एनिमल इज अनहैप्पी ओवर द on the surface of this earth, nowhere. And these are the qualities of animals. Give a description of the Custard the dragon. Custard the dragon was a very strong and brave dragon. His teeth was uh, big. His teeth were big. His mouth was like a fireplace, and his nose was like a chimney. His toes were like a dagger, like his toes were like daggers. The all the pets of Belinda left the place when the pirate came, but it was Custard the dragon who jumped up the pirate like a robin at a worm and killed him alone. Then he was brave and strong. Next is, what could Amanda do if she were a mermaid? Amanda, if Amanda were a mermaid, she would enjoy the supreme happiness. She would experience the supreme happiness, drifting slowly in the green water of the Emerald Sea. तो अगर अमांडा जल पड़ी होती तो इमेरल्ड सी के ग्रीन वाटर में वो ड्रिफ्टिंग करके और वहाँ अकेले होने का आनंद लेती. तो ये है अमांडा. नेक्स्ट इज, what does the speaker ask Amanda to clean? The speaker asks Amanda to clean her shoes, to clean her room, and this shows that she was a school going teenager, and someone has written that she would have been a 13-year-old girl. तो ये है, how is a fog how is a fog like a cat? What is the poetic device used here? The fog is like a cat so far as the the so far as the silence of their movement is concerned. Whenever they move silently, no, not creating even the slightest sound. Therefore, they are one. Then when the cat comes, it sits on its haunches for some time and leaves the place again silently. Similarly, when the fog occurs, it stays there for some time and it also leaves the place. The fog leaves the place silently without doing any harm, without doing any change. तो ये दोनों में सिमिलरिटीज है. द पोएटिक डिवाइस यूज्ड हियर इज पर्सनिफिकेशन. फॉग इज ए लाइफलेस थिंग एंड इट हैज़ बीन कंपेयर्ड टू ए कैट, ए लिविंग बीइंग. देयरफॉर फॉग हैज़ बीन पर्सनिफाइड. फॉग का आत्मीयकरण कर दिया गया है. फॉग में माने बिल्ली की जैसी जान डाल दी गई है, तो उसको पर्सनिफिकेशन आप कह सकते हैं. द पोएटिक डिवाइस यूज्ड हियर इन द पोएम द फॉग इज पर्सनिफिकेशन. तो पर्सनिफिकेशन क्या है, इसकी एक अलग चर्चा करेंगे हम लोग, और एक वीडियो होगा जिसमें कुछ ये जो है ना हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है. पर्सनिफिकेशन यानी कि उसको कहते हैं फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच, और हिंदी में कहते हैं अलंकार. धन्यवाद. आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाएं, इसके इन प्रश्नों के मैक्सिमम के हिंट्स या उत्तर मिल जाएंगे. आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, एंड 10वीं की परीक्षा की तैयारी करें. धन्यवाद.